back to my channel. My name is TJ and this is my mom Tina, and today we're gonna do fireworks, and
we're 1 day late.
Yeah, we're 1 day late because I had to go to my Nina's house.
But it's still fine to do all year round, so we're gonna do it. Sorry to the neighbors.
Yeah.
Okay, show them what we got.
This is the whole bucket.
Let's see what we got. I haven't even seen it myself.
I got this. What?
Let me read. Some fountain friendships.
This one, Among Us though.
Puzzle here on this side once you're done.
And this one,
some solar ninja.
some chicken. I don't know what that is.
It says noisy. Oh wait, is this you, TJ?
No.
It says noisy bastard. Okay.
This, it's an exploding thing. It comes out and then it shoots, and then it shoots up, and then the fireworks. Yeah. And this kind of looks like a candy. I really want to eat it, but I can't.
It's a pink smoke.
Pink
You
smoke.
can't eat it. It looks like a lolly. It looks like a pop-up thingy.
Called
Supernova.
this.
What I say?
This.
Golden flowers. I'm trying to read backwards.
Me too. I was gonna read backwards.
This says Red Savage. What's that one? Red Devil. What's up with these names? We got the Jamaican what? Sunrise. The Swarm 8 shots.
This kind of looks like the birthday hat, like this.
I thought you were gonna say a Christmas tree.
Wait, look, it looks like the birthday hat, and this looks like a Christmas tree, and this looks like sauce, like, yeah.
A sauce. Okay,
Why
what
did
else?
I say that so weird? I don't know what these are.
Oh, those are the sparklers. You know the one you shaky? Yeah, that's
I
gonna
love
be
those.
fun.
Yeah, pretty fun, cause more sparklers.
Wow.
Oh, I know these ones. These are bomb smokes. They bomb, and then the color. Yeah, if you choose the color, the same color. What's the color on it? Yeah, it will be the same color. Cause my papa did that. At my papa's house and Nina's house, we did that. Cause Uncle wanna buy that.
Cool.
And we got this.
Summer's Fountain.
Some more of these bomb things.
Mm-hmm.
And there's no more. Oh no! There is a ladybug. I don't know why they.
Oh, that one's just so cute.
That should be for the garden.
Squeak, 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 squeak. Shit. Is that all?
Yeah.
Okay, so we just gotta wait like
20 minutes.
till it hits nighttime.
Oh no, like 1,000 minutes. Yeah. We should wait that much.
We'll be back.
No. I should talk to them.
Oh, okay.
So, do you like my videos?
Yeah. I love your videos.
If you guys want to do more mukbangs, tell me yes or no, or so we can do it. reviews on YouTube. What do you guys think of my videos? Check them out. TJ and Tina. If you see this video, just go down and press all faces, and then you'll see all of our photos.
Videos.
Yeah, videos, not photos. Yes, and we just made lights.
Yeah, you want to show them? You damn fool.
Do you like this jacket, guys? This is my auntie's, Auntie Nana's. I like this jacket. Yeah. I can't wait for the fireworks, because it's gonna be so fun. Yeah, with you. You want to say something to them? Like and subscribe and hit that thumbs button too.
See you in a little bit.
Yeah, and this video is not finished yet. I'm still got more things to tell you. Did you know my uncle? Yeah, Uncle Mana, he got a big ass chest. It was like bigger than a chest, and there was three, literally three. And my auntie said we had to do it on. I forgot, and yeah.
Look at that cat chasing the bird. Leave him, Bubby.
No.
TJ. Hey guys, my dad's setting up. Excited? He's got what's your favorite ice cream? What's it called?
Oreos ice cream.
Okay, this is our tree. We decorated. Do you want to show them your tree?
Mhm.
Come on then, I'll follow you.
Come over here, like Dora Explorer.
Dora the Explorer.
This is my tree. I created that. No one helped me.
Ooh, shut up. So this is TJ's tree that we did. His room's right there.
Yeah.
And that's my tree over there. Okay, let's begin. My dad just freaked out because he thinks we're gonna get a fine if we do it. But that's only if you... These are our garden lights. Look how cute. And my dad's vegetables, they're gone. This is lettuce. Can you believe that? And a silver beet. Okay, this is the first one. He should have moved that box. Oh my gosh, that was so cool.
Yo. Oh.
It's a baby one, just like you.
I love this one.
Why? Because it's the safest? Whoa. How are you feeling so far, TJ?
Good.
Whatever, tell the truth.
I feel good.
Are you sure you're not a little scared?
No?
Look, Mama. How are you feeling?
Good.
He got a little scared, but it's alright.
It's nice and safe.
Oh, look at those ones.
Whoa.
No, I think it does something. Hold on.
Wait, it doesn't.
I don't know. Maybe not.
Incredible.
Incredible. Incredible. Is that how you feel?
Incredible.
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 Incredible. Can you see our neighbour's one?
Yeah. Yo! Oh, I love this
These are
one!
the smoke bombs, but you can't see it because there's no time.
Yeah, it's the smoke,
I'm trying to get both of the camera. Ciao, Bobby.
oh sorry. Oh my goodness.
Tell him to don't do those ones because we can't even see it.
Dad, don't do those ones.
Go up to him.
Dad, don't do those ones.
Yay!
Incredible.
Incredible! The dance moves. Michael Jackson, is that you? Whoa! Oh, the annoying one.
That's annoying.
So annoying.
Yeah. What thing?
Fireworks. Do your name.
T. Dot. J.
Oh.
TJ.
TJ.
I only got 3 letters in my name.
No, 2.
Wait, what?
The dot doesn't count. The dot's not a letter.
Okay, bring the old one. Bring the old one.
Okay. Any last words before we finish? How did you feel? TJ, how did you feel?
Oh, good. Oh, yeah.
How did you
Away from the
feel?
face.
Beautiful.
You feel beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna close the video.
Okay, bye guys. Welcome. Oh, bye to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you had fun with the fireworks. Bye bye.
Bye.